Salut classe, bonjour. Cette activité est pour notre temps dans la classe. Alors, si vous êtes toujours à la maison, vous faites la distanciation sociale à la maison, vous devez faire ça toute seule. Okay, so let me give you a little rundown on this assignment. This is meant to be done during class time, during our synchronous class time. So what I have for you here are some menus, okay? They are in a shared Google Drive. Okay, miam, miam, voilà les cartes. Here are the menus, miam, miam, yum, yum. Okay, there are a whole bunch in there, okay? You can use all of them or just pick one. Okay, they're from different Parisian restaurants. There's actually a few in there from Eastern France. Okay, so you can see some different takes on menus across France. So pick one or more, but minimum pick one. Okay, and then what you're going to do is you're going to take this KWL chart. Okay, what you know, what you want to know, and what you learned, and you're going to start filling that out. Okay. You're only going to fill out the first two columns though. Okay. So, because today we're really spending time on the culture and really just exploring what's different, what's the same about, France and its cafes and its approach to food. So here we have our KWL chart, which has been translated into French. Okay. So what you know, okay, is what you sais, je sais, I know. What you want to know, je veux savoir, I want, je veux savoir. And then lastly, what you learned, ce que j'ai appris, all right? So we're going to focus on the first two columns, all right? So you're going to put this into Notability, all right? You're going to put your nom, okay? Ton nom, la date. Try to review, if you can, what the numbers, and dates are en français. And then quelle classe? La classe de français. Okay, la classe de français, bien sûr. Okay, so I want you to focus on the first two columns and try to find at least three things that you notice, three things that you know, okay? So you're gonna pick a menu. Look at it. What do you see? Do you see names? Do you see categories? Do you see prices? Do you see words you recognize? Do you see words you don't recognize? Okay, so, but first we're gonna focus on what you see and what you notice, okay? Next, you're gonna tell me what you want to know, okay? Three things that after looking at those menus, what you wanna know. It could be vocabulary, it could be, why do they do this, all right? You're gonna do 3 items for each and you're gonna turn it in, okay? Don't worry about the last column because we're gonna talk about that in class next week, all right? When we're getting into this more, all right? So columns 1 and 2 only, all right? And then turn it in. And this is PDF, so you should be able to put it into Notability without any problem. If you have issues looking at the menus in the shared drive, please send me a message because otherwise I'm going to assume that you can get into them without any issue. Okay, merci beaucoup.